Hello and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same outfit that I'm wearing in my Nephron video, that's because I am filming 2 videos in a day. Thank y'all so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Atlantis channel where we talk about dolls, play with dolls, and do other stuff. And for today's video, what we will be doing is that we are going to be talking about Monster High playsets. And in case you don't know, I have talked about this before, but I do love a gimmick. And playsets are just like the ultimate gimmick. Like, it's pieces of plastic meant to serve a purpose for my dolls. Yes, I want it. I want it so bad. So today's video, we're going to be talking about what Monster High playsets I think we need for G3. First of all, I want to say all the opinions that I say and make are my own. And also, the list I have is in no particular order. So if I start to ramble, you're not going insane. That's just me going insane. So I do have 10 playsets that I think we should get. This is not a demand to Mattel. This is kind of just like in an ideal world, if we were back in G1 land where we were getting playsets left and right, I think that these would have been playsets that we would have gotten for G3. And I'm going to talk about them. So first of all, I think we should be getting some bedroom playsets. We already have a bedroom playset for Claudine. Claudine is the main character for this generation, so it does make sense. But Frankie was the main ghoul for Gen 1, but we still got like Spectra's bedroom, we got Abby's bedroom. And I think this would be such a good like gimmick idea, because like with Frankie's bed, if you flipped it over, there was like a little mirror. So I think if we could do that again, but with G3 characters and like their whole new personalities, I think that would be successful, no? So I would love to see Frankie's bedroom, first of all, because y'all know I am a Frankie stan, day one. Love to see a coffin for Draculara, so we kind of get a better understanding of how she sleeps, because in the movie, she sleeps upwards, and even in the show, she sleeps horizontal, which is like kind of like, okay, but she's a vampire, and like isn't like half of the comedy that like vampires sleep upside down in the coffin? Like, I think, or do they even do that? I don't know, but like I would love an option where you could put her sleeping either upright or the other way around. I think that'd be really cute. When I'd love a Cleo bedroom, because Cleo's still afraid of the dark, so I would love to see how they would implement that in a bedroom playset. So second, I think we should be getting a pet Catacombs playset. We're getting pets like left and right this generation, and they're all so cutely designed, and I think that design, like, it'd be doing a disservice to the designs if we didn't get a way to display them, and I think a playset for them would be perfect. We also got a pet playset for G1, but they were mostly for the talking pets, I think. I think this generation, I think if we just got a general little playset that we could put all the pets in, I think that'd be so cute and so fun. Like a little fishbowl for Neptuna. We can get a little dog house for Watsy, like stuff like that. I think that'd be so cute for a pet playset. Though I think the only other reason why they wouldn't do that is because they're putting all their design money into the dolls. But I still think Mattel's doing pretty good right now. I think that putting some effort into the pets would be like fun, and I think giving us a new, like opening a new door for Monster High, I think that'd be really good. Like, I think that'd be good for the company, if you know what I mean. Like, that'd be more reason to collect the dolls. That'd be more reason to collect the dolls with the pets, or like playsets with the pets, so then you could put them all in this little playset situation. Speaking of Catacombs, I would love a Catacombs playset for the dolls, because we already have a school, which is fine and all, but I would love a Catacombs playset. that would be like a little bit more spookier. I think that would have been so good. The Catacombs playset for Gen 1 was for the Freaky Fusion dolls. So I would love to see a general version of the Catacombs. I think that'd be really cute. Speaking of the school playset, I would love a revamped school. We had 2 versions of the school playset for Gen 1, so I think it'd be a really good, I don't mean to keep comparing, but this is why what I'm saying, like, if we done it before, we could do it again. But I think we need to redo the school, because I think, as much as I said I love gimmicks, I think the gimmicks are like too much. Like the entire playset for the Gen 3 school, the entire thing is like, it's like molded around the idea of Draculaura, or like whichever doll kind of dropping from the top and sliding into class. Like I think like we could, instead of one whole gigantic one that takes up the entire design of the school, I think we could have gotten like little ones like sprinkled all throughout. I think that would make a better opportunity for designers, and I think it would be a lot more fun, because it's like, what do you mean you can only do one thing in this playset? Like I would love to like get a hidden door, or like maybe the beds flip up and it's a vanity, like, you know, like stuff like that. I think that'd be so much more fun than the one that we got. And also, of course, I would love for it to be a little bit more spookier. Now that we have more lore about these characters, I think it'd work. I think it'd work. Next, I would love to get a spooky closet. We do have the Gorganizer, and we have Cleo's Gorganizer as well. I think if we got like an actual monster wardrobe, I think that'd be so cute. Like maybe we can get it to roar at us or something every time we opened it or something. They're like, the possibilities are endless, because like a lot of these dolls come with spare clothing pieces, so I think getting a way to display them as well as store them, I think that's something that we need in this generation. Like some version of like a monster storage. I think that'd be really cool. Or like maybe even like a monster treasure chest or something, I don't know, but a Monster High wardrobe that has like a mirror that like, when it's like one of those I don't know what it's called, but like on one side it's one image, and if you look at it in another angle it's a different image. Like if you did that, but like in the other image it's like Spectra kind of like doing like a ghost face at you. Guys, it would be so good. Okay, next I think we should get like a full-on like class playset in the same vein as my idea for the Monster High School. Like we could be getting like tiny little like Easter eggs and tiny little like gimmicks. Like I think that'd be really cool. Like maybe the desks can like turn over and or like connect or something, and then suddenly it's like the lunchroom or something. Like I think, I keep saying like in this video, I'm so sorry, but I'm very excited about these ideas, because it would give kids more play factor, and it'd give us adults more display factor when it comes to it. I mean, I think like a full-on playset might be too much, but like an accessory set, like maybe a couple chairs, a couple desks, maybe like a chalkboard, like stuff like that. Like I think that'd be really cute if we could put all that together, give us a little surprise. Then I think that'd be a win. I think that'd be a win, and I think that'd be really good. And next, I would love what did I call it? A mad science lab, because we are getting that science lab thing for Frankie, but I think because it's sharing the gimmick of like creating a monster pet and then also you get a doll with it, I think that's kind of a lot. So I think that's why the playset isn't like hitting for me. I would love to see a whole mad science lab where, I don't know, like you could like press on the bottles or something and like little like bubbles could come out of it or something. Or like, ooh, it could be like a water play set, you know? I think Gen 2 did that with the mad science lab. Like if you, I don't know, like maybe we could do test swabs or something, I don't know. But I think a mad science lab would be really cute, and then we could get a mad science Frankie to go along with it. And like this Frankie can have a better design. I think that's a win-win. Okay, and the next, I think these next ones are kind of just to pertain to collectors, really. I don't know. But this next one, I really want to see a carrying case, because my Monster High carrying case, the one I have for G1, I bring it everywhere with me. If I go traveling, I bring it with me. Even if it's just for one doll and their accessories, it's in the carrying case. And I think with all these Monster High dolls, having a carrying case or a way of transporting like your favorite dolls and their accessories, I think that's smart, no? Like, so then that way you can be repping your favorite Monster High dolls. You can be repping Monster High in general, because we don't have any other merch. Like, we don't have posters. We have like a sticker set. We don't really have stationery either. So I think like having like a carrying case would be a good way to get into like that type of field, you know? And it doesn't even need to come with a doll, really, because the entire point is that you put your dolls in it. And I'm gonna call this another one, because like it could go both ways. It could be part of the carrying case, but I would love to see a display case as well. It doesn't need to be in the carrying case, but I want to see like a fun way to display the dolls. Like, maybe we could get like a forest scene, or like maybe it could be like maybe it could be just the base and they could switch the scenes out from behind. I think that'd be really fun. A graveyard scene? Guys, come on now. And it would just make collecting Monster High so much more fun, you know what I mean? Like, if we got that, then it could be like, oh, like then in this scene we could have the zombie characters or the undead characters, or we can have like all the party characters, all the party dolls. Because like all these dolls, all these lines are coming out. Like, if we're getting Sweet 16, or Sweet 1600 came out. What did they call it now? Scary Sweet Birthday. And if we got party scene for that display situation, that'd be so cute. That'd be so cute. No, like, I don't think that's a lie. Okay, and then last but not least, I think we need a pool. I think we need a Monster High pool. We can do some color change situations, since you guys like that. We can do color change. We could do bubbles, you know? Because Laguna's hydration station was such a big deal. Like, everyone loved that playset. So I think if we got something close to that for a pool situation, because we also have the Scared Island dolls, I think that if we got pool or like a beach playset, I think that it would give us a reason to want to buy all the dolls, give the dolls a little summer vacation. Because like we got the Oasis playset for G1, and I think that one was like kind of lackluster. I think if we did it for G3, I think it could be really cool. Okay guys, that is those are the playsets that I think we should be getting. I've been having this like feeling inside of my heart for so long that like, oh, like I wish we got this type of playset or this type of playset, because I love my Monster High playsets, and I kind of just want to manifest it. So putting it out into the world, if this is a way of manifesting it, I'll do it. I think that Gen 3 Monster High has more than proved themselves, especially with the Cat's Eye music video. I think we should be getting more playsets, but that's just me. That's just my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. What type of playsets do you guys want to see for Monster High? And the more that we talk about it, the louder that we speak on this, I feel like we could be getting more cool playsets. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Hit me up in the links in my description, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.